Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto, and welcome to your Wake Up Morning Yoga. This is a really great one to reinvigorate the body after you've been sleeping. It will help to lubricate all the joints and get you ready for your day. So if you're already on your back, stay there, or if you aren't, let's hook our hands underneath our knees, sitting up nice and tall. Take a nice big breath in. And supporting through your core musculature, slowly lower the spine down towards your mat or your bed if you're still in bed. And just begin to roll the shoulder blades out, let the arms fall to the side, and rock your knees gently side to side. Let's take a deep breath in through the nostrils. Exhale out through your mouth. And let's just take 4 more of these. In through your nose as you rock your knees side to side, and then exhale out through your mouth. Good. Releasing and relaxing, taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And while you're here, maybe setting your intention for the day, choosing your mood, opening up your mind and your heart, breathing in and out. Once more, breathe in and out. And just begin to bring your knees back to center. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, begin to scoop the knees in towards your chest. Don't pull them way in and round your lower back. Just enough to feel a little compression into the front of the hip joint. Just stay here and breathe. On your exhale, curl up into a light little ball, squeezing your belly. Good. Inhale. Exhale, roll up. Good. 3 more. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale up. Good. Breathe in. Exhale up. Once more, last one. Breathe in and exhale up. Good. Bring your hips at 90 degrees, your knees at 90 degrees, and just begin to use the knees as steering wheels to massage your sacrum, your low back, the back of the pelvis. Just finding a little lubrication and movement here, knowing that motion is lotion. Your breath should be moving steadily in and out. Reverse now, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. Once more, inhale and exhale. Let's begin to keep the right knee in towards the chest. Send your left foot down to the ground if you need extra support on your spine. If not, send that left leg all the way down to the mat, flexing your foot and squeezing your thigh. Begin to take your thigh bone out around the pelvis so we don't crunch into the front of the hip flexor. Holding here, just begin to breathe. Exhale out. Breathe in again. Exhale out. Last one, really squeeze that left thigh. Inhale and exhale. Bringing your left foot back onto the ground. Lightly release the knee, but we're going to give it little mini circles. Lubricating, hydrating the hip joint. So a few directions one way, a steady breath moving in and out. And let's reverse. Keep the breath moving in, out through the mouth. Once more in and out. Let's place that right foot down to the ground. Left knee comes into the chest. Take a deep breath in. Slide your right foot down if you choose, or keep it onto the mat. Left thigh goes out around the pelvis, hugging it in. Stay here and breathe. 3 breaths. A deep one in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Last one, in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Right foot returns to the ground. Lightly release your left knee. And now give it mini circles. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Let's reverse. Breathe it in and out. Breathe it in and out. Return that left foot down to the ground. Now we're going to hug the right knee back into the chest, clasp behind your thighs or right behind your knee crease. We want to begin to extend the leg as much as we can to feel a stretch in the back of the leg and the back of the knee, pulling the toes back towards the shin. You might feel a little pull from your hip all the way to the foot. You're stretching and lengthening the sciatic nerve. So we want to reawaken all the musculature into the leg, but also pull any swelling that may have developed during the night out of the lower limbs and pump it back through the system. So you can keep your knees soft here. Let's just begin to floss the hamstring. Inhale and extend. And then we're going to slowly bend as we exhale. Good. Inhale, extend, extend, extend. Pull the toes back. Exhale, slowly bend. Nice. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now on your next breath in, begin to extend the knee, and then let's keep it extended and roll out the ankle, moving into all the nooks and crannies of that ankle. You might hear clicking or popping. That's just the joint repositioning. You're not old, so don't worry. Keep breathing in and out, and let's reverse. Nice, big, huge inhales and exhales. You've got this. Nice. Keep the breath moving. And now on the next inhale, begin to stretch the toes back, really press through the heel. And then on your exhale, bring that foot back down to the ground. Taking it to the opposite side, left knee coming in, hooking underneath the thigh. Let's begin to inhale, extend, pull the toes back just as far as comfortable, and then exhale, bend the knee. Beautiful. Inhale. Exhale. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. On the next breath in, keep the knee extended. A slight bend is okay. Move into all the nooks and crannies of that ankle. A few directions one way, keeping the breath steadily moving in and out. And then let's reverse. Opposite direction. Good. Keeping the breath moving. Just reawakening those feet. Pull the toes back towards the shin. Let's take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bring that left foot down to the ground. Beautiful. Stretch your arms now overhead. Take a nice big giant stretch in. Breathe in. And as you exhale, let's just begin to drop the knees over to the right. Just as far as comfortable. Breathe in deep between your ribs and your hips. Fill up the space from your low back all the way to your navel. Exhale and relax. 2 more breaths in. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Really breathe in deep. And exhale out. Take another nice big giant breath in. And on your exhale, bring your knees back to center, rocking them side to side. So always neutralizing between each posture, letting the body reset. Gives the nervous system time to relax. Take another deep breath in. And on your next exhale, take your knees over to the left. Just letting gravity do the work. Only go as far as comfortable. You can put a pillow between your knees if you need extra support. And let's breathe between the ribs and the hips. Huge breath from your spine all the way to your navel. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Last one, deep breath in. And deep breath out. Fill up your lungs now. And bring your knees back to center. Shaking them out side to side. All good. And slowly and gently, just begin to bring the knees into the chest. Take a deep breath in, lightly curling up now. You want to keep the spine soft and supple. Using a little momentum, let's rock tail to head. So bring the knees back. Try to push your feet forward and just begin to rock. Watch your face. You don't want your knees to come up and hit you in the face. That is not a great way to start your day. Good. Up and down the spine, nice and soft. And with a little momentum, let it carry you forward into a nice tall seat. From here, begin to face your screen. Take your time. And now that we've awakened the lower body, let's work up into the spine and some of the upper body. As we use our arms, we begin to create more circulation through the body. So we're going to take spinal waves. Hands will start on your knees. And we want to imagine like we're diving underneath the stick and then rolling ourselves back. So what this looks like, if you just pause for just a moment and watch me. Inhale, you take your head forward, then your face, your throat, your chest, lengthen up through the spine as you begin to tip back, and then you're going to round the chest in, round the shoulder blades as you exhale, squeezing your belly. It can be as big as or as small as you want, but just feel the motion and the fluidity as you inhale and exhale out. Good, let's begin. Inhale, dive forward, filling your lungs the entire way, and then exhale, squeeze back. Good, breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. As big or as little as you want to make this. Breathe in and breathe out. And no worries if your spine feels a little stuck or stiff. This will help. Just do as much as you can do. No judgments, no worries. Exhale out. Once more. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let's get the arms moving now. Take your arms forward and up through the shoulders, elbows, wrists, and fingers. I want you to flip your palms and pull straight down, fist to your ribs, squeezing the shoulders back, squeezing the abdominals. So let's really heat the body now. Inhale, dive forward. Exhale, pull down. Ha sound out through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in and forward. Exhale, squeeze it down. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Last one. Breathe in. And out. Now take your arms high. Breathe in. We're going to do a rapid fire pull down just to heat. Exhale. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in nice and tall. Stretch your heart space up. Nice. Exhale. Bring your elbows all the way down to the mat. Hands onto the ground and just begin to rock side to side. Breathing in and out. Letting your body just begin to neutralize, opening up the rib cage, getting really soft and gooey. Shaking the shoulders out. Maybe you walk yourself forward and just paint your body side to side, loosening everything up. Feeling that breath moving through you, your life force energy, going forth today, being a badass. Knowing that you are. Nice. Let's begin to pull up through the ground. So as we breathe in, lift your chest, lift your arms, really stretch. Place your palms together, and as you exhale, bring your thumbs to your brows with clarity and thought. Settle towards your mouth. Today, offer kind, honest words. And settle at your heart space. Give a kind, open heart. Take the energy you feel now, let it vibrate through every cell of your body. Send it out to your loved ones. Send it out to others around you, and maybe even a perfect stranger. And know that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. Have an awesome day. Go out there, go kick some ass, and we'll see you next time. Namaste. Hey, thanks for joining me today. If you love this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to the channel for more great yoga flows. If you want to deep dive into more of your body, specifically your neck or back, or you want something that's more fitness-based, below this video are links to all my top-selling courses that you'll find. Again, if you ever need to reach out to me, I'll always answer you. Feel free to comment below or reach out to me personally at Tristan@tristangatto.com. Thanks so much. Namaste.